Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 update error code 0xc19001e2. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a services. Go to your services, right click run as administrator. After opening that, find out a Windows update, open it and make sure that it's select the automatic. Click on stop button, click on start, click on apply and OK, and close it and restart your computer. I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. Now type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net space stop space bits and press enter. After doing this, type a command is run space c forward slash windows forward slash software distribution .old and press enter. After that, type a command is run space c slash windows forward slash system 32 forward slash catroot 2 space catroot2.old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net start WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net start space crypt svc now type a command is net space start space bits and press enter. After that, exit the command prompt and exit it. After doing this, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of the Windows, go to your update and security, go to your troubleshoot, go to your additional troubleshooter, select a Windows update and click on a run the troubleshooter. It's required of a few seconds to detecting the problem and resolve itself. Close it and close it. Restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your any search browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Click on the first link is Windows 10 disk image. Scroll down, click on a download tool now. Click on save button. After completing that, open it. Click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started, and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. And after completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.